and today I'm going to be doing a video as promised of me using the Urban Decay Naked Honey palette. It comes with all of these beautiful nudes and comes with a makeup brush too. Also, nails by Honey. Have you guys got your Valentine's nails done? Stay tuned. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Oh, just broke a nail, y'all. Trying to get this damn bag open. Broke a nail for y'all. So I hope everybody that's watching this is subscribed, because I broke a nail for you guys, for your pleasure. And Sharu is looking at me like, who the hell are you talking to? Who is you talking to? I'm talking to you, boo. Now we are going to do our lips and our lashes. Our lips and our lashes. Do our lips and our lashes. Yeah. Our lips and our lashes. Hi, boy. Now these lashes, I just got these from wish.com. I don't know what brand they are, what size they are, or what color, because the package that they came in is long gone. So I still buy them. They come in bulk. They're cheap. I pay $1 for like 10 pairs. So love you, Wish. So today I'm going to use Maybelline New York. And this is my favorite Super Stay Matte Ink. And today I am trying for the first time with you guys the shade Cocoa. So it's scented. I also have here same brand in the color Mocha Inventor. Brand new also. Never tried it. I'll swatch it here on my hand. Now this one smells like hot cocoa, y'all. Ooh, I like that. Hot cocoa all over my lips. And of course, you guys know, I always like to put my Poet like right here in the middle, but I don't know. Valentine's Day is coming up. Maybe I should just keep it dark like this. I thought I was going for a natural look, but this one, it's a little sultry. What do you guys think? Every girl should have one of these. This really helps with when you really are hot, and it also helps with drying your makeup, setting it. I think I am going to go ahead and go in with just a little bit of this in Poet. Yes, I like that. Brightens it up just a little bit. ladies and gentlemen, girls and gays, all my honeybees, this is it. I hope you guys like the final look. Once again, this was all done using my Urban Decay Naked Honey palette. Thank you guys for watching. I love you guys, and always remember, be blessed, be careful, be kind, and always be sweet. I love you guys. Bye.